Hi everyone, I'm Siddhant Daga. I'm from Jodhpur. I scored 72 marks in IDT and overall 528 marks in CA final number 22 exam. So मैंने अपनी classes यशवंत सर से ली थी and one of the reasons why I took it was सर का जो duration था classes का वो बहुत कम था in comparison to other teachers. But never I felt के quality में कोई कमी हुई because even today if you'll ask me what sir taught in first class, I'll remember it. And also जो sir ने complex concepts like exemptions और ITC को जिस way में पढ़ाया वो बहुत ही commendable था. Like he made it so easy कि कभी उन चीज़ों को पढ़ने में कभी डिफिकल्टी नहीं हुई even when you are revising it for the first or second time. जो सर ने notes provide किए थे that was very good. मतलब जो सर क्लास में notes लिखवाते थे, so I'll strongly recommend all of you to write it down because they help a lot while you are revising. I'll also like to talk about the books that sir provides. So they are very good. So if I'll talk about the question bank, so it covers almost all the questions of past exam papers, RTPs, MDPs. And if I'll talk about the colorful summary book, so it was the book for me because मैंने उससे ही revision किया and it covers everything. And this book being colorful, so it made it very easy to remember and revise things. And if I'll talk about the Ramban charts, so I'll strongly recommend you, all of you, whenever you are free, just go through that because it's only 50 to 60 pages and it covers almost entire IDT syllabus in a very good and summarized way. This really helped me in doing multiple revisions of IDT. And if I'll talk about the doubt solving platform of sir, so it was really good. मतलब he was among only a few teachers of mine जो डाउट्स को काफ़ी फास्ट रिप्लाई कर देते थे. लाइक ही रिप्लाइज फॉर डाउट्स विद इन फ्यू आवर्स एंड इफ ही इज नॉट एबल टू रिप्लाई देन ही विल आस्क यू टू कॉल हिम एट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम एंड ही सॉल्व्स द डाउट्स इन अ वेरी गुड वे. सो दैट वाज अ ग्रेट थिंग फॉर मी because it really helped me. I had talked to sir regarding my doubts for a couple of times, and I'd also like to thank the team of Yashvant sir because they helped me whenever I was facing with any technical glitch or with books or with delivery. So they really helped me. So at last I'd like to say sir से पढ़ने में माहौल आ गया और I would like to thank you sir because आपकी वजह से I scored such a good marks in IDT and such good marks in overall CA final exams. Thank you.